Okay, so we are headed out to Jeffy's speed shop because he's helping me with this truck and trailer. We're picking up the Chevy Luv, which was my grandpa's '79 Chevy Luv. And I'm gonna stop neglecting it. So yeah, we gotta go pick it up from up at the lake. Then we've got to bring it back either my house or Jeff's house. We're going to electronic ignition and fuel injection. Hot Lady Sniper EFI actually makes a 2-barrel version, so hopefully that will work for the Chevy Luv. I tried to look up to see if anybody has done this, but I think people are just sticking with the Weber carbs. But I want something that like I can drive any day of the week. I don't have to worry about, I don't have to fiddle with it. If my mom wants to drive it, she can go drive it. That's probably the big thing, because she would like to take it to shows every once in a while. So I would like her to be able to do that. That means electronic ignition, EFI, probably adding power brakes. Those are the 3 big ones. Electronic ignition and EFI we're starting on now. So we're gonna go pick it up. We'll have some shenanigans along the way. Future Ryan here. Just wanted to break in here and give you a heads up. I am not like a great videographer, editor, any of that kind of stuff. I just like playing with motorcycles and cars and computers. So forgive me if the quality of the editing and filmography and like the sense of things just doesn't quite make sense. But as I was editing this, there was a lot of stuff where I'm like, man, this doesn't make any sense at all. But yeah, so I'm trying. I'm getting better. If you have pointers, put them in the comments. I appreciate you. Thanks. Hi. So we're at Jeffy's. We're stealing his truck. So we're gonna do some slavery shit and make him do work for me. See how this goes. Tons of projects. I gotta get to work.
Get the water in there.
Yeah, I'm getting the water.
Don't be a big puss. Jump
water.
into the polar plunge.
Just water. It's green. It's green water. We'll go down there in a second. But made it up here. Jeff's here. My mom's here. There's a Chevy Luv in the van that we have to move. So luckily I'm smooth-brained and I forgot my keys, but luckily I keep a van key at the lake. So
you have at least one wrinkle in your brain?
I have a wrinkle. 3 years ago I had a wrinkle in my brain and now I don't. So I'm gonna move some get this loaded.
You and your fancy camera.
I like it. There's an Insta360 in there too if you'd rather use that.
I don't know, I use GoPros because I'm poor.
I hate GoPros. I lose too much footage.
This is his super awesome van that he won't talk to you guys about because he's afraid to admit that he wants to live in it.
Did it
No, you gotta do the thing where you do the thing at the same time as the thing. See? Got it. Just Chevy stuff, you know?
Chevy stuff. I painted this in the shop at Kansas and then it all start peeling off because I was too lazy to actually get all the white paint off before I painted it.
No, that's brand used.
Eagle.
Oh, there's an eagle.
Oh, I don't know how to zoom in with this thing.
I don't either.
You can figure that out later in the editing room.
Jesus Christ.
Okay, that was totally cool.
Oh, I found it. Oh yeah, look at those fucking tiny zooms.
I hook this up.
This is like a 1990s home video now.
Yeah. I'll get all the sweet edits.
Yeah, you want to get some.
Why is this?
Lake water, that's why.
Yeah, lake water. It's all the green. Yeah.
Look at all them horse torque. Vortec, mother.
Hey, it's got a small block 350.
Oh yeah, we got some Vortec ponies in there.
Sweet Napa Legend.
Oh, that's why it's always dead. Napa batteries are junk.
I only bought it in 23.
Yeah, brand new.
Stupid.
Side posts?
Side post, dumb shit.
Here comes all the editing from the swears.
Yeah.
Oh look, there's how many oils it takes.
It's that 710 fluid.
Yeah, because he's got smooth brain and can't remember things.
don't even like recognize that it's plugged into it.
It's got brake fluid in it.
Yeah, it doesn't have coolant.
No, yeah, that's fine. You don't need those.
You don't need coolant.
Let's go to the other side. Get a Cheech cam going on.
White and red, brown and blue.
Does this hot rod fire up? Oh, you're smoking up here. Yeah. Your terminal doesn't like that.
Oh yeah, it is.
Come on, baby. There it is. Hey, let me get the brake clean. We're gonna give her a little Cheech juice here. Oh. There's a mouse nest coming out of the tailpipe. All right, give that a shot. Is your jump pack dead? Do it again. Huh. It's dropping to 8.7. Try it again. Yep, no, I think we're fucked. For one, we need to tighten your positive cable a smidge, and two, we need to clean it up a little bit. Yeah, what you got in here? You got a little, check out that ass. That's what I'm talking about.
There's peanut butter from like Forever Goes Toyota first aid kit, sleeping bags.
Hey, what's that? Is that an 8mm socket on the floor?
Oh man, I don't know. Like cramped up.
That's a hot hat.
It is a hot hat. This is just a
Oh, damn it.
piece of metal.
How do you not have a pliers in here?
I don't know. I think I took all the tools out. I'm just a snap-on screwdriver.
That's worth more than a van.
It is. Here's a thing for taking hot showers: 2-cycle engine oil, mustard, ketchup, plates.
Little of these yellows, mustard, ketchup. Oh, shit tickets.
A bajillion of these.
You got an extra battery.
You got pliers over there, Mom?
I can show you what I have.
There's a grill.
Oh, yeah.
My race gear.
When you did your mini bike-ins?
Yeah.
That's like another extra battery. Is that one any
Another
gooder?
battery. It's a top load from 2019.
It's got side posts on it.
Side posts. Cast iron.
We're cooking the good eggs. Ostrich eggs. Okay, what do we got now? We got 12.4. Let's give her a shot, Pete. That was a really weird series of events.
What was that?
That was a really weird series of events.
That was. I thought something fell out.
Nope, no rods on the ground.
Rust. Yeah, let's go get a battery. Time to go get a battery. Well, the van wouldn't start, so borrow the mom's car, going to Walmart so we can buy a battery and then tools to take the battery out. So,
Yeah,
it just never ends. Good old small town Walmart.
I'll fit right in.
Yeah. Alright, oh, we're a little on the, there we go. Alright, so.
Dad, can we get some chocolate milk?
You've got chocolate milk at home.
Damn it.
So we've got a battery, sockets, extensions. It's gonna suck, but
All right, we got the hot pile of Walmart battery in there. Let's see what that does. Give her a little gasoline. Oh yeah. A little bit of cheese, nothing big. Definitely exhaust leak. You may have to keep it alive for a minute or two. Like a champ. Ignore the 10-year-old gas in it. It'll roll back now at this point. Hot rod right there. Well, we've kind of just shoved it out, but you get the idea because it wasn't, it was, there we go. Gives you guys a good view here. See how good Ryan's editing skills are. They probably blow ass. Oh yeah, right down Broadway.
Alright, thanks to the masterful skills of Jeff, the truck is all loaded up. Start this journey, bajillion miles to fucking Columbus. But look at her, how cool she looks. Look, it's sweet. Mint. Okay, so we made it back. Now we have to push it off. Push it up into this steep ass fucking garage because the people who built this place hate me. So we're gonna get this off. It needs a bath, but that's another day project when it actually runs and moves on its own power.
Yeah, somebody's gonna be getting off.
Yeah, definitely getting off. All right, so get in the garage. We'll do another update. Oh, hey, so it's a totally different day because I am not the brightest and completely forgot to finish recording an outro and all that stuff. But we got the Chevy Luv in the garage. It is dirty. There was cats that were walking all over the windshield there. But it's in the garage. There is not a lot of room. I gotta take this tow bar off anyways. But we are limited on space. So it's barely fitting. I need to get rid of some of the bikes that we don't ride anymore, like the CRF and the, I don't know. Hard decisions might have to be made, but yeah, Chevy Luv is in the garage. We got to work on the electronic ignition. I'm finding out that the Holley Sniper EFIs don't really have a base plate that works with the Hitachi intake manifold, so I don't know. Maybe we'll just go Weber carb and go that route, and fingers crossed the electric choke lasts and works and the vacuum advance and all that fun stuff. So yeah, the Luv is in the garage. I got some parts to order so we can start tearing into this